You think you're helping your kidneys, but you might be doing the exact opposite. Every time you sip that detox juice, pop that over-the-counter pain pill, or skip a quick walk after dinner, you could be slowly damaging the one organ that keeps your blood clean, your pressure stable, and your brain clear. Here's the worst part. Your kidneys won't warn you until they're already failing. You don't feel pain, you don't feel sick, but inside, your filters are getting clogged, inflamed, and scarred. And if you're over 60, your risk just doubled. According to the CDC, nearly 4 out of 10 seniors already have reduced kidney function, and most don't know it. Let's talk about the 3 most common mistakes seniors make when trying to heal their kidneys, because you might mean well, but your kidneys need the truth, not the trends. You lose kidney function quietly, no alarms, no early symptoms, but the consequences, brutal. Constant fatigue, brain fog, swollen ankles, high blood pressure that meds can't control, and eventually, dialysis. Kidney decline isn't just about needing a transplant. It affects how your heart pumps, how your brain thinks, how your muscles recover, how you sleep, and even how fast you age. And here's the kicker. Most people lose 1% of kidney function per year after 60, but that can triple if you're making these mistakes. Want to know what actually supports your kidneys? Nitric oxide, not a supplement, not a drug. It's a natural gas your body produces to expand blood vessels, especially those tiny ones inside the kidneys. And guess what? By age 60, your nitric oxide levels can drop by 50%. Less nitric oxide, shocks poor circulation, less blood flow to kidneys, poor filtration, toxic buildup. Here's the shocker. A study published in Hypertension from the American Heart Association found that beet juice, yes, beet juice, increased nitric oxide, improved blood pressure, and enhanced kidney blood flow. Dr. Barbara O'Neill and researchers at Stanford both recommend it. Half a cup of cooked beets 3 times a week. No side effects. No $89 detox kits. Just real results. Practical tip 1. Alkalize the load, but not with juice cleansers. The one myth? Kidneys need lemon water and less salt. Wrong. According to the NIH, the biggest enemy of kidney health is high acid load in the diet, not sodium. That comes from processed foods, soda, red meats, too much cheese, too little plant-based fiber, and your kidneys, they're stuck cleaning it up. Now here's what nobody tells you. You don't need to cut all the meat. Just balance the acid with alkaline-forming foods. Top kidney-friendly choices: spinach, sweet potatoes, avocados, watermelon, and yes, beets are double agents. They alkalize and boost nitric oxide. Dr. O'Neill calls it renal blood flow therapy. It's food science, not fluff. Practical tip 2, water hydration. Electrolytes are the key. You've probably heard, drink more water. But here's what no one tells you. Water alone doesn't hydrate your body. You could drink 10 glasses a day and still feel tired, dizzy, or cramped. Why? Because true hydration requires electrolytes, not just water. Your cells need sodium, potassium, and magnesium to actually absorb and use the water you drink. Without these minerals, the water just passes through your system, making your kidneys work overtime to process it without getting the benefit. This is especially dangerous for adults over 60. As we age, our kidneys become more sensitive and our bodies less efficient at balancing fluid and minerals. According to the Mayo Clinic, electrolyte imbalances are one of the most common and overlooked reasons seniors are hospitalized, especially for symptoms like fainting, confusion, or dangerously high blood pressure. Here are the clues. Feel dizzy when you stand up, likely low sodium. Leg cramps waking you up at night, could be low potassium. Mysterious rise in blood pressure? Magnesium deficiency is a hidden culprit. Dr. Barbara O'Neill recommends a simple fix: 1 to 4 teaspoons of pink Himalayan salt, plus juice of half a lemon in warm water every morning. This tiny mineral-rich drink restores balance, supports kidney function, and keeps your cells hydrated, without needing sports drinks or supplements full of sugar and additives. In one of her patients, This habit alone led to a 10-point drop in blood pressure in just 3 weeks. It's not about drinking more water, it's about drinking water that actually works. Your kidneys will know the difference, and so will you. Practical tip 3. Sugar spikes are kidney poison. You don't need to be diabetic for sugar to damage your kidneys. In fact, one of the biggest hidden dangers for seniors is the spike in blood sugar that happens after eating, especially if you're over 60 and your metabolism has naturally slowed down. Most people think sugar only matters for diabetes, but here's what science shows. Even if your blood sugar is normal, sudden spikes after meals can hurt the microvessels inside your kidneys. Those spikes cause tiny tears in the fragile filtering structures called glomeruli. Over time, this leads to leaky filtration, inflammation, and eventually scarring, which your doctor may call reduced kidney function. The worst part? You won't feel a thing until it's advanced. But there's a powerful drug-free fix, and it's free. Just walk for 10 minutes after you eat. A 2022 study published in Diabetologia found that light walking after meals lowered blood sugar levels by 22% compared to sitting still. That's huge. You're not going for a workout. You're not breaking a sweat. You're simply walking around your house, or your driveway, or even inside the mall. This gentle movement activates your muscles, which then pulls sugar out of the bloodstream for fuel, relieving your kidneys of the burden of filtering out sugar-related waste. No powders, no pills, no gym. Just a short, simple stroll that gives your kidneys the break they desperately need. If you want to protect your kidneys long-term, start walking after meals. Your legs move, your sugar drops, and your kidneys sigh in relief. Cut the salt. That's what most doctors still say, but new research says otherwise. According to Johns Hopkins, fructose, not salt, is the bigger threat to kidney health. And where's fructose hiding? Fruit juices, flavored yogurts, healthy granola bars, agave syrups, and that cranberry juice you thought was helping fructose increases uric acid, which chokes off blood flow to the kidneys. That leads to inflammation and damage that's tough to reverse. Dr. O'Neill warns against this all the time. She calls it the juice trap. No matter what the label says, liquid fruit are kidney sabotage. Choose the whole fruit instead. Apples, berries, even pears, loaded with fiber and low in fructose. Here's one that shocked me. Ibuprofen, naproxen, and other NSAIDs, common pain relievers, are toxic to aging kidneys. They constrict blood flow to the filtration cells, even in small doses, especially when taken daily. A study in the BMJ found that seniors taking NSAIDs 3x a week had a 26% higher risk of kidney decline. What to do instead? Turmeric with black pepper for inflammation, magnesium lotion for pain, a heat pad on sore joints. These options are safer, effective, and kidney-friendly. Don't just reach for a pill, reach for something your kidneys don't hate. One senior, age 67, followed these tips for 30 days. Beet juice 3x a week, morning salt water, plus lemon, 10-minute walks after each meal, no fruit juice. Replaced pain pills with turmeric results. Blood pressure dropped 12 points, brain fog disappeared, nighttime urination stopped, and kidney function score, eGFR, improved from 78 to 86. No expensive treatments, no doctor visits, no panic, just small daily shifts. You don't need a detox, you need truth, blood flow, and balance. Because by the time your kidneys speak up, you may already be running out of time.